Behind me you can see the all-new Audi Q6 e-tron, our first product on the premium platform electric. The mission was to design a proper SUV. The Q6 e-tron has fantastic SUV proportions. The wheels are huge. And then, of course, we have a cabin which is upright, but it sits quite far back in the rear. We had the idea to translate the formal language of the e-tron GT into the SUV world. And you can see it here on the muscles, on top of all four wheels. The section here is quite similar to the e-tron GT. Another design element which is quite bold is the rocker. The new heart of the car is not the engine anymore, it's a battery, and we want to visualize it. And this is done by this black inlay, which is also going into the rear end. And this is a clear symbol for electric mobility. At the same time, of course, it helps the proportion to stretch the car, to make the car sleek. Talking about the front end, I think very important is the inverted face, because we really have a strong symbol in the front. We have a single frame because this is a well-known symbol on our Audi cars, but we made the next step. We brightened it up with body color and we put it into a black mask which hides sensors, light functions, and this has the advantage that from 100 meters away you can clearly see it's an Audi, and in the same time you can see it's electric. For the first time we have splitted lights. The main functions are sitting in the black mask. Of course, this makes the car even more self-confident, and we have more space in this digital field. We have 5 rows of LEDs where the customer can configure his daytime running light signature. Talking about the rear end, Audis always have a slim cabin, but it's not just highly attractive, it's also very efficient, because when the cabin tapers to the rear, the car gets a better drag coefficient. We always have to find in design the balance between efficiency and aesthetics, and I think here we see again a quite good example for this. What is also very important, of course, for us, the light design. What you see here, lights with a light band, and then the modulation on top of the lights, how the muscle runs into the rear end. And this just shows our idea to make kind of a SUV brother of the e-tron GT. To sum it up, I would say mission completed. The Q6 e-tron will be one of the most attractive SUVs in its segment.